Welcome to all in this class. Today I will teach you about connective tissue. The connective tissue is specialized to connect and other various body organs. Example: connect bone to each other, connect muscles to bone, bind tissues and give support to various parts. The cells of connective tissues are living, supported from each other and are less in number. The space between cells is filled with non-living matrix, means non-living liquid. Matrix is fibrous in nature and binds other tissues. Function of connective tissue: binding, supporting and packing together different organs of body. Types of connective tissues: there are 5 types of connective tissue. First, areolar connective tissues. Second, dense regular connective tissue. Third, adipose connective tissue. Fourth, skeletal connective tissue. And fifth, fluid connective tissue. Now we know about all one by one. First of all, areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue, it is a loose and cellular connective tissue. Its matrix consists of 2 kinds of fibers. First fiber, white collagen fiber, and second, yellow collagen fiber. First, white collagen fiber, which change into gelatin on boiling in water. When we boil it, means when we boil, white collagen fiber change into gelatin. Yellow collagen fiber, it is also scattered in matrix of areolar connective tissue. Occurrence, it joins skin to muscles, fills a space inside organs found around muscles, found in blood vessels and nerves. Function of areolar connective tissue: act as supporting and packing tissue. It helps in repair of tissue after an injury. It also helps in combating foreign toxin, outside toxin. It fixes the skin to underlying muscles. Now we know about second type of connective tissues, dense regular connective tissue. Second type of connective tissue, dense regular connective. It is fibrous connective tissue. There are components of these tissues are tendons, ligaments, aponeurosis. First of all, we know about tendons. Tendons are cord-like, strong, inelastic structures that join skeletal muscles to bone. Tendon is wide, fibrous tissue. Collagen fiber are bounded by areolar connectivity. Second component, ligaments. A ligament is highly elastic and a gray texture, but contain little matrix. Ligament strengthen the joint and permit normal movement. A sprain is caused by pulling ligaments. Third component, aponeurosis. There are broad sheet of dense fibrous collagenous connectivities that cover, invest and form the termination and attachment of various muscles. Now, third type of connectivities, adipose connectivities. Adipose tissue is basically an aggregation of fat cells. Aggregations is group of cells of fat cells or adipocytes. Fat cells or adipocytes. The adipocyte tissue is abundant below the skin. Adipocyte tissue means fat cells. Group of fat cells is called adipocyte. Between the internal organs and in bone marrow, hollow part of bone marrow. Function: it serves as fat reservoir. Fat reservoir provides shape to limbs and body, keeps visceral organ, internal organs in position, act as insulator, regulate body temperature. Now we know about four type of connective tissues. Skeletal tissue. It is supporting tissue. It has two components, cartilage and bone. We know first of all cartilage. Cartilage, it is soft and flexible tissue. The matrix of cartilage has a delicate network of collagen fiber and living cells, chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are present in fluid-filled cells known as lacunae. Occurrence: inner pinna, nose tip, epiglottis, windpipe, end of long bone, lower end of rib, Function: provide support and flexibility to body part. Second component of skeletal tissue, bone.